Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to name acids. First of all, what is an acid? Acids are ionic compounds that start with hydrogen, and they exist in an aqueous state. For example, here we have hydrogen sulfide. Wrong! Technically, the name hydrogen sulfide is correct, however, when we call this compound hydrogen sulfide, we are referring to its gaseous state. And right now what we want to do is name the acid in its aqueous state. For naming acids, it is important to know that when we have an acid formed by hydrogen plus any nonmetal, we write hydro as the first part of the name, and then we follow with the nonmetal. When we name acids, the ending of all nonmetals will go from ag to ag. We can also add -atu to indicate that the acid is in an aqueous state. And just like that, we name acids. Now, let's change the name for hydrogen sulfide. First, we keep hydro, and then we write sulfuric instead of sulfide. And the new name for this compound will be hydrosulfuric acid. Here we have some examples. Hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid, and finally hydroiodic acid. Now, let's move on to naming acids with polyatomic ions. When an acid is formed by hydrogen and a polyatomic ion, the rules of naming change. In this case, if the polyatomic ion ends in RT or an RI, they will keep the ending ec. And if the polyatomic ion ends in IT, the ending will now change to OUS. For example, here we have nitrite. And because it ends in IT, the name of nitrite will change to nitrous. Here we have nitrate. And as we can see, nitrate ends in ate, meaning that the name of this polyatomic ion will change to nitric. There's just one more thing you need to know before naming acids with polyatomic ions, and that is that in this case, when we have polyatomic ions, we won't write hydro first. So, for example, here we have this acid, and as we can see, this polyatomic ion here is sulfate. Then because it ends with A, the name of sulfate will change to sulfuric. And because we don't need to add hydro at the start of the name of this acid will stay as sulfuric acid. Here are some examples that will help you to practice. Try to name them before I do. Carbonic acid, hypochlorous acid, and finally, permanganic acid. And just like that, we name acids with polyatomic ions. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you until next time.